During a school camping trip, a kid offers peanuts to an elephant. Suddenly, the elephant sneezes so hard that it blows away the tent and all the kids with it. They land in a nearby lake, laughing and soaked. As the children emerge from the water, they can't help but laugh at the wild turn of events. The elephant, seemingly amused, enjoys the attention and joins in the fun, creating an unforgettable memory for everyone. With the sun beginning to set, the campers gather around the friendly elephant, sharing stories and laughter. The day's mishap transforms into a cherished memory, bonding everyone in a truly special way.